my name is Gregory Fu, and I'm actually from RAID, which stands for RSAF Agile Innovation Digital, and it's part of a department within Republic of Singapore Air Force. For this current demonstration that we have, we are actually using the out-of-the-box implementations that Hivemind provides. We are able to integrate third-party vendors' softwares, for example, as well as other proprietary technologies that belong to us indigenously on top of Hivemind. And that actually provides us the access to the full technological stack, where we are able to have control in terms of what capabilities we want to develop and the roadmap that we have for the future as well.
Hivemind Enterprise is positioned as a developer platform that enables teams, governments, partners to rapidly scale, test, and simulate their own mission autonomy on their platform of choice.
I'm Jeremy Wong, Head of UAS Innovation from Air Systems in DSTA. At DSTA, we are constantly looking out for best-of-breed technologies that we can quickly adopt to accelerate capability development for SAF. By leveraging Hivemind SDK, DSTA is able to focus on mission autonomy development without being distracted by other tasks such as developing back-end codes from scratch and infrastructure setup. This helps to accelerate capability development and allow us to deliver mission-ready capabilities to the RSAF much faster.
When I was able to join the team in person during the test flight, the team itself, which is quite technically proficient, was able to rapidly integrate their capabilities and their needs on top of the Hivemind SDK, and ultimately to successfully achieve their preliminary objectives and to do so with great efficiency.
Collaborations like this allow us to intimately understand what an autonomy SDK offers and then provide valuable operational user feedback to Shield AI to continuously shape and improve the product. Furthermore, they also allow us to build up and benchmark our own expertise in these rapidly developing areas.
The HME team uses experiences like these to continuously grow and gather feedback from the client to interject into the SDK. Today's success with RSAF and their milestones overall truly showcase the capabilities of Hivemind to be truly platform agnostic and rapidly scale and adapt to any challenge that may come its way.